Working at Collectiv is better than jobs I've previously had because of the authenticity. When I worked in the industry prior, you will see the CEOs and the C-suite on video calls addressing the whole company, but at Collectiv, I get to interact with the principals of the company every day. I really enjoy who I work with, and everyone connects with each other on a very personal level. Since it is a smaller company, you feel like your interactions and relationships with your coworkers are much more meaningful, and it's not very common to where you get to interact with principals of the company on a daily basis. I think other Power BI consultants should consider working at Collectiv because of the atmosphere we have here. It's very collaborative and everyone is always trying to help one another out and help each other grow professionally. So I think it's just a great, unique mix of great people to work with and a great learning environment.